Hi YouTube, I'm back. This time I want to introduce you to a short course which will teach you how to recognize gemstones when you are hiking around, or you come across some material that you don't know if it's a gem in a rock, something workable or not. If you are a gem passionate and you are an outgoing person, this guide will also help you in case for your gem hunting sessions, let's say. So I put up together some videos, and step by step I'm going to introduce you to the world of gems and how to recognize them first sight. There are many ways. I always appreciate to go out with the family and have a hike or to visit some places, especially in the wild, because I think that for a healthy lifestyle, I would prefer to go out with my family in some tracks around and discover new things or see new things in nature, instead of maybe passing whole time inside of a commercial center. Of course, commercial centers will solve some problems of yours, like grocery shopping and other things, technology you can buy. But I think it is a far better activity for a single person or a family just to go out and enjoy nature. There are ways you can actually prepare yourself for gem hunting. The first thing I would say that you should you should check your state laws to see if actually the law itself allows you to go around and pick up samples in the bush or in the wild. In case that is possible, to see if also are required some applications or some forms that you have to submit to have allowance, so you don't have any problems with authorities. That's what you don't want. You want to have a nice relaxed trip with the family or by yourself. Another thing is to, before you're going out for gem hunting, should you do it inside of a farm or a place which is a private place, you should of course ask the permission to the owner, unless you want some some problems with the owner himself. I would suggest, first of all, to have a look at gemological maps available around your area. Those ones you can check them online, or you can actually, if they are not online, you can also go to the Mines Energy department of government in your town, wherever you are, and ask for them. Usually they supply them after a certain fee, and and you start from that, because you can have an idea of what minerals are around your area, and you can also plot some trips or some hiking search in that area specifically, so that if you want to go and have a look, if you want to go and search for specific mineral, you know where to go, because that is the area where geologically those minerals are found usually. So after that you gotta pack up your bag with some food and some drinks and some of the tools that I'm going to show to you in the next video, that will help you to separate gems from rocks, and more or less to understand what you are dealing with, what you picked up. If you are a person which like to buy stones, for example, in markets or online, or you just come across with any material that they've been selling you, or they want to sell you as gemstone, then I think this guide is going to be a good starting point for you, also to understand if what's being presented to you is good or not. So stay tuned, like this video if you like, and just subscribe. So whenever I'm finished producing the next video, in which I will show you also the tools that you need to recognize the gems and the minerals. You can be immediately prompt about the next video that is going to be ready, and you're most welcome to check all the rest of the videos that I did about stones, gem cutting, and this activity of mine. I thank you very much for all the comments so far that you left, and God bless you, and see you next time. Thank you.